Hello everyone and welcome to the first session of our technical English and terminology course. I am glad to have you here today as we embark on this exciting journey together. In this course series, we will dive into the world of technical English and terminology, beginning with the first important component, writing comprehension. The outline of this first course, reading comprehension, is divided into three sections. So the first one, introduction to technical reading, then strategies for effective reading and comprehension. At the end, analyzing specialized text within the field. So for each of these sections, we will provide videos. I will keep them short to ensure they don't disrupt your focus. Let's start with the first section, introduction to technical reading. Reading and comprehending technical texts are essential skills for success in various professional fields. In this section, we will explore into the significance of technical reading and how it differs from regular reading. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of the skills required to become proficient in technical reading. So let's ask this question: what is reading comprehension? At the first time you hear this question, you find it a little complicated to reply. So let's explain and give you more information about reading comprehension. So reading comprehension is the ability to read text, process it, and understand its meaning. It relies on two interconnected abilities: word reading and language comprehension. Word reading, being able to decode the symbols on the page. So for language comprehension, being able to understand the meaning of the words and the sentences. So let's give you more explanation about this. So word reading is the ability to recognize and understand the individual words on a page or screen. It's like knowing what each word means. For language comprehension is the ability to grasp the meaning of those words and how they work together to convey a message. It's like understanding the bigger picture or story. So when you read, you are not just memorizing words, you are building a mental picture in your head that helps you to understand the whole text. It's like creating a movie in your mind based on the words and sentences you read. So reading comprehension is about both knowing the word and putting them together to understand the story or information. Okay, so the second question: what is the purpose of reading? So the purpose of reading can be summarized into two main categories: reading for pleasure and reading for information. Reading for pleasure, this involves reading purely for enjoyment, relaxation, or personal enrichment without a specific goal or objective. And for reading for information, this is the purposeful act of reading to gather knowledge, facts, or data for practical purposes, such as learning, problem solving, decision making, or task completion. Okay, so you could ask some question when you are going to search about the purpose of what you are reading. So you could ask, why I am reading this, what information do I need, and how much time and energy is it worth. All these questions you ask for search or scheme or select or study. So for search, You could also ask, how is the article laid out? What are the sections, etc. So for scheme, what are the key ideas in the abstract, keywords, intro headings or subsections, topic sentences, etc. So for select IDs or objectives, you could use which sections or paragraphs are relevant to me. So for study, closely read the relevant parts and take notes.